Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I detangle and retwist my hair after I wash it. My hair is very thick, I have a lot of hair and it's long at this point, it's very curly, so usually to deal with it loose is just a lot, it gets really tangled, so usually I wash it in my twist, take it out section by section, detangle, and retwist it. So first I rehydrate with water. Water is your best friend when you have curly hair. So I get it nice and wet so I can distribute my products. After I get my hair nice and rehydrated, I start adding some products so I can hold in that moisture. This is a spray bottle with a little bit of conditioner and a lot of water. I'm usually dealing with very wet hair, a lot of product, so I like to keep a t-shirt to wipe off my hands, my face, my tools, whatever. Before I start using a comb or a brush, which I do use tools now because like I said my hair is long at this point and it just saves me time, I do a preliminary detangle, kind of a separation with my fingers first. For product, I use conditioner, and I didn't show that on this section, but I showed on another one, and a little bit of oil. So I take a very tiny bit of oil, melt it in my hands, and seal in that moisture. Sometimes I'll feel like I don't have enough moisture on my hair, it's not detangling easy, I don't have enough slip, so just add some more water and product, baby. When detangling your hair, always start from the ends. I use one of those silicone tooth detangling brushes to get my hair nice and detangled and smooth before I do my twist. To ensure I get a nice, smooth, uniform twist by the end, I do have to detangle on the way. You know, while you're twisting, it just gets a little tangled, so detangle your ends, twist, detangle some more, keep twisting. After I'm done retwisting all my sections, I do bun them up for a little bit so that they'll set. I don't leave it because I don't like to leave tension on my hair, but I'll do this for maybe a couple hours so that they set and won't get so loose and puffy. And then I don't have to worry about wet twists sitting on my neck. And that's all there is to it. So yeah, get that product off your face, wipe it, better to wash it, and I'll post some pictures. So yeah, this is how I leave my hair. Sometimes it looks like this. Sometimes I'll do styles like this. That was a cute one. I liked that one. I did like a little flat twist in the front. And here it is dry. Of course it shrinks up, gets a little fuzzy, but leaves my hair detangled. Thank you for watching.